We're shifting our focus now to some big breaking news now coming in. It's a big NDTV impact. We are given to understand now in a big order from the Supreme Court. The court has said that all stray dogs in Delhi NCR should be moved to shelters. This is a huge NDTV impact after we ran this campaign over the last several days, after which we understand comes the big Supreme Court order. All stray dogs in Delhi NCR will have to be moved to shelters, and also the court has said that any organization that blocks this exercise will face the strictest action. My colleague Nupur Dogra also joins us on the broadcast here, getting us more on that. Nupur, big order coming in from the Supreme Court after NDTV has been running this campaign over the last several days. Showing our viewers these incidents also that had come to light over the last several days and months, and we understand now clearly the court says all stray dogs will have to be moved to shelters now.
Well, Kitty, of course, this is in fact a very big step from the Supreme Court today. The Supreme Court has, in an unprecedented move, said that as the very first step, it will not hear any intervening organizations or dog lovers or any associations and not hear even suggestions from them. The Supreme Court said that the first step that should be taken by Delhi government and Delhi authorities is that they have to relocate all the dogs, stray dogs from the city, from the streets of the Delhi NCR. That includes Gurgaon, Noida and Ghaziabad, the colonies that falls under the NCR area of Delhi. And now they will, in fact, have to shift all these dogs, street dogs, to shelter homes. The Supreme Court has set a timeline of 8 days for MCD, NDMC, and other local authorities of Noida and Gurgaon to come up with a plan that where they are planning to come up with these shelter homes and how they will shift all the dogs, all the stray dogs from across the city to these shelter homes. This is now a very big step from the Supreme Court, that it has said that it has in fact called the previous existing rules which had barred relocating dogs absurd. The Supreme Court said that for the time being, keep all the rules aside, keep all the laws aside, and first of all, relocate, mobilize a force that is of trained professionals who can relocate, catch these stray dogs and relocate to shift them to shelter homes and make sure they are vaccinated, sterilized, and also has said that those shelter homes should have CCTV cameras to make sure that no dog is allowed to move outside those shelter homes. The Supreme Court, in a very big move, has also said that it won't allow people to adopt
had taken note of
stray
a news
dogs
report
overnight
recently
after
on the rising incidence of rabies death, and the court has said that it's going to hear arguments from the centre, but no petitions also at the same time, Nupur, we understand, are going to be entertained from any any other party or dog lovers in this case. I'll just come back to you. My colleague Aarti also joins us on the broadcast here, getting us more on that. Aarti, it's the result of our NDTV campaign that we've been running over the last several days. We've spoken about incidents of stray dog incidents and dog bites that have resulted in children, not just children but elderly also getting injured. In some cases, people have died, and it's the result of that campaign. We understand Supreme Court also has taken note of it and given out this big order now.
Absolutely, Kitty. Now, it's been at least 2 to 3 months that we have been reporting the multiple dog attacks, the bite attacks, rabies attacks that have happened across India. And we've seen that most of these, like you mentioned, attacks have been targeted towards children and the elderly, who are the most vulnerable group. Now, we had seen earlier that the Supreme Court had taken note after there was an incident of a toddler being attacked by stray dogs in Delhi, post which the Supreme Court had said that it was a real issue and that kids are paying the price. As of now, this is the biggest impact yet of our campaign that has been run. The Supreme Court has, of course, taken notice of this issue. We have been flagging these dog bite issues that have been occurring every other day, in fact, since the last 2 to 3 months. And now what the Supreme Court said, like my colleague Nupur pointed out, is that the ABC rules are absurd. If I can just take our viewers through quickly what exactly the ABC rules are. Now, remember, these rules are the animal animal birth control rules that were amended in 2023, and they say that dogs after vaccination, sterilization must be relocated or must be sent to the exact same location that they were caught at. Now, this is the issue that the Supreme Court says must be looked at. They are calling this rule absurd. Now, what the ABC rule says is that relocation is prohibited under the ABC rules to maintain territorial balance of these dogs. The Supreme Court has said that these rules must be kept aside and that all dogs must be relocated after vaccination, sterilization. In fact, Supreme Court says round up all the stray dogs, despite them being vaccinated or not, sterilized or not. All stray dogs must be rounded up in Delhi NCR and taken to a different location. Now, NDTV as well has been saying that a major solution to the stray dog menace is the fact that dogs must be sent to a national shelter in these areas. They must be kept away from residential areas. They must be kept away from densely populated areas as well. They must be at national shelters where volunteers and dog lovers, dog feeders could go there. Now, the Supreme Court, in fact, saying that any sort of dog lover or volunteer activist, if they oppose this decision or the order by the Supreme Court, then they will be penalized. Now, remember, this is a strict order that has come in from the Supreme Court. They are saying that our children cannot pay the price for few dog lovers.
Observations were made when this order was given out. Court clearly saying, will these animal lovers or animal right activists, will they be able to bring back those who've died, those who've fallen prey to the dog bites or such incidents or rabies also in this case. All right. Thank you so much, Aarti, as well as Nupur, for getting us all those details there. We'll come back to you later.